Work is going on. Installation of 5 KVA EAPRO solar system with 410 watt mono panel. They are making stand for 3 panels, making an angle within 20 degree. The angle is based on EIA. This is EAPRO 160 solar ampere hour battery. This is EAPRO. This is solar battery 160 ampere hour, C10 capacity, 60 months warranty. Manufactured by EAPRO Industries Private Limited. There are 4 batteries is there. This is 5 kilowatt, 5 kVA. This is the place where this inverter is to be installed. Now the inverter will be installed. Our technician Sagar EAPRO Solar UPS panel of EAPRO 5 kilo solar system. 4 batteries are connected in series connection. As this solar UPS will work on 48 volt. আগে ওদিক থেকে কর, একদম ওদিক থেকে কর। টর্চ দেবো, লাস্ট ম্যাচ দেখে নিচ্ছিস, দেখে নে একবার। Near about installation, final installation is going on. About 12 panels are installed in the structure. The panels are of 410 watt mono park made by EAPRO.